You'll often hear people refer to the styling of a site. This generally refers to the color, size, font, and alignment of elements on the site. You can manage this, as well as the template being used, in the Design panel. From the Home menu, click Design and Site Styles. You'll notice the style options are broken up into sections. Many templates will vary in how these sections are organized and which styling options are made available, as seen here. To navigate to each section, simply click on the preview, and the Site Style Editor will automatically bring up the section controls you want to adjust. When you want to see the complete list of available sections again, click on Show All. To start, we'll make the header title bigger. Now, we'll increase the size of the navigation font. From here, we'll adjust the body text and then the styling of the heading. And finally, set the button style, like the form block button, to solid, so that they stand out a bit more. If you ever decide to revert to the default template styling, click the Reset Styles to Defaults button. After all these styling modifications are complete, we'll focus on the next steps in setting up a paid site.